Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love. Caught up in my tape.
Hello, hi. So welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time since I filmed. Today, as you guys saw, we're gonna be trying out this one. I wanted to film it when I'm trying this thing out so that I can share with you guys. So finally today I thought I have to do this, and so here I am with the mask and with my third day hair, which looks dead and dry and I don't know what. So it is the INATUR Amla hair repair hot oil treatment, deep root conditioning, strengthens hair, prevents hair loss. That is all of the things that this brand says that this product would do. We're supposed to apply evenly onto the scalp and hair, leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes, then wash off and use at least once a week, and make sure that you mix the contents well before use. So just 2 tips that I want you guys to follow if you're using any kind of hair mask. Make sure that you don't have any tangles on your hair before applying any kind of hair mask or just before washing your hair, because trying to comb your hair once you wash it, when your hair is wet, your hair will be more prone to breakage. So once you wash your hair and then if you try to detangle it, you are going to just break your hair. And the second tip is that always whenever you're trying to use any kind of hair mask, which could be like this one or anything else, please try and wash your hair. If you think that your scalp and your hair is not clean, then go ahead and wash it. Go ahead and shampoo it or wash it or cleanse it, and then when your hair is about damp, like not fully dry, then go ahead and apply the mask onto your hair. And always concentrate any kind of masks onto the mid-lengths and the ends of your hair, because that is the part of the hair that needs a lot of care, because that is the part where the natural sebum cannot reach. I will use it every time I wash my hair. I'm going to use this mask on my hair, and I will show you guys the results once this guy gets over. So we're gonna just wait and use him and see for the results. But anyways, today I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like with the first use, and also how I'm going to use this one. Thick in consistency, guys. It's not like the normal commercial conditioner that you get. The smell is kind of like flowers and stuff. It smells really good, but I doubt if this is going to give me headaches, because it's kind of sharp. We'll see. So I just got out of the shower, I washed my hair, and I realized that it's getting nearly 5 o'clock. Costs 480 rupees, which is nearly 500 rupees, and I bought it off of Amazon just to try it out. I have been using this throughout October, so this is November right now. With the result, the truth of it is that you may say that I'm not a big fan of this anymore. What happened is, if you guys open this thing, there is one more lid, and still you can get such, how do you say, such a strong fragrance out of this. It gives me headaches. I don't apply it onto my scalp because This is super thick. It's very thick, and I tried applying it onto my scalp, but it's super hard to get rid of it once you apply it onto your scalp. If you have dandruff, you might not want to use any products that sticks onto your scalp and you cannot wash it off or cleanse it off. So this is one of those things, and I have dandruff. I do get dandruff, and the climate here is super hot, so applying something like this, which is super hard to get rid of, is not something I would normally recommend. And of course, if you use a shampoo for twice or thrice, it's gonna dry out your scalp and your hair, and that's exactly what happened. It totally stripped my hair of all of the oils, this thing and even the natural oils, and my hair felt so dry throughout the week. I ended up using coconut oil and hair serums and all of the products, so many other products, to just tame down the frizz and also to make my hair not look that. The whole purpose of using a hair mask was just not there. So coming to the pros, it's easily available. It's a lot of quantity in there. Like, I have really long hair and still I used it around 4 to 5 times already, and there is still product inside, so there's a lot of product in there. Like fragrance, strong, thick fragrance. I like fragrance. I like mild fragrance that stays on your hair for a good amount of time. But this strong fragrance, I hate it. But if you guys like it, that's a pro number 3. But otherwise, 2 pros. And coming to the cons, it's super thick. You cannot even apply it onto your hair. Once you try applying it and spreading onto your hair, it breaks your hair. If you have brittle fine hair like me, it's super hard to get rid of your hair. We have to apply shampoo at least twice, and when you apply shampoo a lot of times, it ends up drying your hair. So the whole purpose of using a hair mask is just not achieved. So the fragrance can give you headaches if you're like me. It didn't moisturize my hair at all. Even after leaving it on for about 30 minutes, couldn't find any big difference on my hair. So it's 5 versus 2, or maybe if you like strong fragrance, 4 versus 3. With all of that said, I don't know, you might want to try it out if you have a different texture of hair, and if you think that this might work for your hair, you might want to try it out for yourself. But if you'd ask me what I would rate it out of 10, then I would probably rate it 5, not more than that. Actually, 5 is too much, I think. So yeah, that is it with the video, guys. So if you guys like this video, or if you guys find this video helpful, please do give this video a big thumbs up. And also, if you guys are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel to support me. And please do comment down below any other video suggestions that you guys have. I do review a lot of hair care products, so if you guys want me to review any products in specific, please do comment down below and let me know. I would do that for you guys. I'd be more than happy to do it for you guys. So yeah, with all of that said, for watching once again, you guys. I love you all. Bye. I am very
let me love more, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love. Caught up in my tape.